Hello. It's a rainy Sunday, rainy weekend, I can say. I really don't like rainy weekends, even after busy and sunny weekdays. It's weekend and it starts to rain, and I really hate it. Yesterday it has been raining all day, and today I can say that until now it has been raining, and forecasts show that hopefully it will not rain anymore after 3. And yeah, now that's why I came to a new bird tower which is close to a parking lot, so I can escape the car if it's gonna rain, surprisingly. And yeah, last weekend also I was in the car and I was driving in countryside. I can say that first time I saw or I got so close to a bird by the car. I first thought it was a buzzard, but no, it was a Sparrow Hawk. So, but I really got close. I was driving like in forest road, countryside, and I saw it nearby the road. It started to fly so close to ground. Then it stops. Then I drive and get closer. Then it starts to fly. After some time, I don't know, it got used and didn't fly away. Just stayed on the side of the road. Was maybe seeking some small birds or mice. So that's why I got so close and could record for a moment. Really, it was maybe my closest video. It is not so good quality, but yep. Today, this bird tower, like 1 week ago, there was one observation white-tailed eagle. I don't know. There was no any information like was it seen in the fly, like or was it seen on ground. There is no any information. And the new bird tower close to my home, like 30 minutes drive. So that's why they want to come here. Let's see what kind of place that. Yep. Well, there's still nothing to show at all, but there is really so far one small island, and I cannot call it like island, just one tree close to the coast. Strange that I saw many birds under that. Like I think I'm not sure what cormorant and went really far. Probably because of the wind. They can't swim or they can't go anywhere. So there are a lot of, maybe also some geese. There are a lot of birds under that. I wish it would be a little bit less windy and they can move. So yeah, and not only one who enjoys the weather, windsurfer. So I saw on the map that there's another bird tower a little bit closer to that island, so just 10 minutes away. So I will try to go there and see better what kind of birds there are in that island. But hopefully it is a little bit closer. Hopefully. Now I'm on other bird tower. This is really tough one. I have to climb and not so good road to reach here, but anyway, well, I'm a little bit closer, I can say, and there are definitely cormorants. There was one swan also, and I didn't see a lot of cormorant together before, so yeah, unfortunately now sun is really harsh and there's heat destruction on the lake, so I cannot record so well. But yeah, second new bird tower. So yeah, by this way I can say I visited all bird towers, like around the at least the Lahti area. But yeah, now it's quite sunny. It's not gonna rain anymore, but still windy. Yep, I think I will visit one more place where I do visit often, and I don't think I can see osprey anymore this year, but let's see. I will check it. This field is one of my favorite one. It may sound strange, but the reason is that I like to watch some birds of prey here. It's really easy to see them on it when it is the season, and now it is. One of them is marsh harrier, V-shaped wing and flying over the field to seek prey. Maybe a small bird or vole, if lucky. A little bit farther, there is an aggressive crane today, One of Harriers tried several times to hunt, but it was not successful or lucky at all. But there is another bird of prey which is tiny and wants to try its chance here today. Kestrel. This small bird is quite successful on hunting. It first flies over the field quite fast in order to find prey, and if it sees one, then hovering above it for a while until see a chance. This one tried to hunt several times today, in an hour, and resting for a while. No, hair is not its size. Perfectly keeps its head steady. It doesn't give up and tries again. This time it looks more like decided. And it goes down. This is not a competitor to Kestrel, but on its field, it's a predator also. Heron. You can see them nearby the lake during the summer and autumn in Finland. Common buzzards are also another birds of prey you can see in Finland. I was on Bird Tower in late September to see migration of birds, and I had chance to see this buzzard there. I was quite far to Buzzard. It probably hunted something like vole or small bird, and while eating that, suddenly it started to rain, and I saw the most beautiful and close rainbow I have ever seen in my life.